Hi, my name is Manish Salotra and today we'll talk about the 4th generation product of Amor Automation, Amor 4. Let's get on to the video right away. As you can see, this is Amor 4 panel. This Amor 4 fits very well into the 6 modular box. This is the standard metallic box which is there in generally all of the homes. There are 4 ways of using a Amor 4 panel. One is through touch, second is through the mobile app, third is using a remote, and fourth using voice control. As you can see, there are 6 switches on Amor panel, these 6. The white state of an icon shows that the switch is in the on state. The blue color of the icon shows that the switch is in the off state. Now let me explain how these switches are distributed for the appliances. The first switch can be used as a fan, there is an icon for fan. The second switch can be used for an AC. The third switch can be used for a curtain. The fourth switch can be used as a two-way switch. The fifth and the sixth are the generic switches, they can be used for any of the appliances. As I said, these switches, the AC, fan and the curtain, they can also be used as a normal switch. When I say normal switch, you can use it for any of the light, for a TV or any other appliance. The first switch is at 7 ampere which can be used for the fan. The second switch, which is for AC, is of 23 ampere. The third switch for a curtain is again at 7 amperes. The fourth switch, which is a two-way switch, works at 10 ampere and the other two switches also works at 7 ampere. So that's how the amperage of the switches is distributed. Now let me show you how to use a fan. Now if I press on the fan, you can see the slider gets activated. And once I reduce the slider or I increase the slider, the speed of the fan will decrease or increase accordingly. We also have 2 different kind of touches for a mode. That is a long press and a very long press. Let us try to use the long touch of the panel for converting the panel from internet to hotspot mode. As you can see, the panel right now is in the internet mode and the SSID is mentioned here on the TFT. Now let's convert it into hotspot mode. So for converting the panel into hotspot mode, I will touch this icon for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And once I remove my finger, activate hotspot is written and the panel is converted into the hotspot mode from the internet mode. Now let us see how to bring the panel into the sleep mode. As you can see, there is ZZZ written here, which is an icon for sleep. If I long press here for 4 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4 and I remove my finger, sleep mode is activated. Once the sleep mode is activated, all the lights of the panel will go off, but whatever appliances are connected, whatever lights or whatever AC is connected, that will still be working. To bring the panel back into the active mode, we can touch any of the icons and the panel comes back into the incumbent stage. Amor activated and all the icons will come up. Now let me explain a very interesting feature of Amor 4, which is SOS mode. Now SOS is actually a message which you can custom through the mobile app. Once SOS sent comes here, the SOS messages will be sent to those 4 numbers which you have decided in the mobile app. 1, 2, 3, 4. And once I remove my finger, you can see SOS sent. Now let me show you how to use the curtains with Amor 4 panel. As you can see, this is the icon for the curtain. If I touch this icon, the curtain mode is activated. It is written on the TFT as well. Now these 2 lights are blinking on the slider. If I press on this side, the curtain will start moving in one direction. If I press here on the other side, the curtain will start moving in the other direction. Now if I have to come out of the curtain mode, I have to again touch the icon of curtain mode to bring it out. I would also like to tell you, once the panel is in the curtain mode on state, all other icons will get deactivated. As you can see, I am clicking on the icons but it's not working because the panel is in the curtain mode right now. To make them operational, I have to come out of this mode. So once I press here, the curtain mode is off and the other icons also gets activated. So that's how we can use the curtain mode, or that's how we can use curtain with the Amor 4 panel. As you can see, there's an edit button. If I long press on this button for 4 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, and once I remove my finger, the TFT edit mode comes on the TFT. To edit the TFT, we use the scene buttons. Now let me explain how they work. As you can see, this triangle is towards upside, this triangle is towards down. So this is up and down. This is towards front and this is towards back. So this means how to move ahead and this means to move back in the TFT. So we have to move ahead in the TFT mode. I'll press on the ahead triangle. So we move ahead. Now we have to move ahead again. We have to come at 0, 0 or if we have to change the time. So I move ahead. So my cursor comes on the first time. So time right now is around 4:10 p.m. So which means 16:10 p.m. Now let me try to reset that time. So I press to increase it. Now I move ahead. Now I have to make 0 to 6. I make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it becomes 16. Now I have to make my time as 4, 16, 11. 1 minute has passed. So I make it 1. I go ahead and I make it 1 again. Now I have to change the day. I have to move ahead. So I use this icon to move ahead. So today is Saturday. So I have to increase it 1, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we have Saturday and the date today is 20th. So let me make it 20th. I make it 1, 2. So it's 20th now. I have to change the month now. 0 is 0. We need to change the month. It is January. Yeah, so it's December. So let me freeze it here. And the TFT comes at the normal state. So that's how we reset the TFT. There are 4 scenes given in the Amor panel. And a scene is basically a combination of different switches. Let me show you how to do that. To program a scene, I have to long press on the scene button. So let's long press on any of the scene buttons. So I long press on scene 1. And once I remove my finger, scene 1 select is written on the TFT, and as you see, all these buttons on the panel are in the off state right now. To select a button or to select a scene, I have to press on various buttons. Let's say I press icon number 1, I switch it on, and I switch on an icon just below this. So in scene 1, I have selected 2 icons. Now to program this in the panel, I press on scene 1 again. Now scene 1 is programmed for 2 switches to be on in the on state and all other switches in the off state. Now let me show you how it works. Let's say somebody comes and the configuration of a panel is changed. Somebody switches on 2 other icons as well. Now if I press on scene 1, these 2 icons should stay on and all other icons should go off. Let's see how it works. So if I press on scene 1, as you can see, these 2 switches are in the on state, all other switches are in the off state. Similarly, we can program scene 2, 3 and 4. So that's how the scene works in Amor 4 panel. Now let us try to understand the very long press of Amor panel. The very long press is meant majorly for 2 purposes. One is for activation or deactivation of a fan. Second is for resetting the curtain. And for deactivating your fan, you need to long press on the fan icon for 10 seconds. As you can see, the fan is deactivated. In the fan deactivated mode, when I switch on the fan, as I'm doing now, the slider remains deactivated, which means the slider is not coming now, and the fan switch can be used as any normal switch. The second purpose of very long press, which is for 10 seconds, is for resetting your curtain. Let us see how it works. Now if I have to reset the curtain, I have to long press on the curtain icon for 10 seconds. Now when I remove my finger, you can see on the TFT, that curtain is resetting right now. Now let's see how resetting works. Now once we have reset the curtain, and then again when I press on the curtain icon, it will say configure your curtain. Now as you can see on the TFT, it is written open curtain. We have to open the curtain to 100%, which means the curtain should be open. Now to open the curtain, I have to press here till the time my entire curtain opens up. Now if the curtain opening is done, and press curtain icon to save. If I have to save that state in the panel, I press on the curtain icon. Now the complete open state of the panel is saved in the panel. Now as we can see in the TFT, close curtain. The closed state of the curtain, when the curtain is closed or shut, needs to be saved in the panel. To save that, I press here. The curtain starts getting closed. Once the curtain is closed, I take off my finger and the closed state of the curtain is saved in the panel. Now press the curtain icon to save. To save this thing in the panel, I press again and the curtain is configured. So that's how the curtain gets configured in the Amor panel. Now let's see how simple is it to use Amor panels using Alexa. Alexa, open Amor automation.
Welcome to Amor. What shall I do for you?
Turn on television in my bedroom.
Television turn on, what next?
It's that simple. So you can access your Amore 4 panels using an IR remote as well. One remote is enough to control all your Amore 4 panels at the home. But for your convenience, if you need some extra remotes, you can buy them online. Using your mobile app, you can access your Amore 4 panels from anywhere in the world. You simply need to go to your mobile app. You can switch on off your switches from anywhere in the world. You can schedule your switches. You can lock your switches. You can even see the power consumption of your every appliance which is connected to Amore 4 panel in the mobile app itself. As you can see on the Amore 4 panel, there are only 4 scenes available, but in the mobile app, you can create as many scenes as you want. Your whole home comes into your single mobile phone. From our experience of 10 years into the home automation, we have realized that sometimes a panel gets hung or sometimes the software starts malfunctioning. To remove those kind of errors, we have given the power to our end users to reset the panel themselves. For that, we have created a small reset pin. Now this reset pin actually brings back the panel to its normal state. Let me show you how it works. So we take the reset pin, and there's a small opening for the reset pin. Once we have inserted, there's a small button which you will feel. If I press it, the panel gets reset and comes into normal state. Let me tell you what all customizations are possible in the Amore panel. So you can see a ring outside the panel which is of chrome color. This ring can be customized to black, it can be customized to golden or any color you want as per your requirements. You can see the black surface of Amore 4. This black surface can be changed to any color, any pattern or any image as per your requirement. You can even give your family photograph and we can print that family photograph with our icons and of course TFT in place. We can also customize the icons which are given here. So in case if you're architect or if you're designer or if your home is theme based and you want to change the icons as per your requirement, we can do that as well. We can even change the color of the TFT which is black right now to match your room colors or the background of the panel which you are using. EBTL is one of the very few companies which is selling the product in India and abroad. We have a very robust network of channel partners and distributors across India. We have done installation in more than 300 cities of the country. We are looking forward to increase our footprint to the entire globe. We provide a 3 years warranty of the product, which means if there is any hardware or software malfunctioning in the product, we replace the product without any questions being asked. You can buy Amore 4 online through our distributors, through our channel partners and through our network of architects. So buy this product and upgrade your home today. Thank you very much for your time and do subscribe our channel to know more about Amore automation and Amore 4 videos.